Hello, great mathematician. Welcome to Mathematics Olympiad platform. So we go straight to our questions. Question number 1. If x raised to power 100 plus 100 is divided by x plus 1, find the remainder. Question number 2. If x plus 1 over x equals 10, find 8x over x squared minus 8x plus 1 equals 4. Now, to solve the first question, we have if x raised to power 100 plus 100 is divided by x plus 1, find the remainder. Now, if we take that x plus 1 that we're using to divide and we equal it to 0 in order to find the value of x, we have from x plus 1 equals 0, then we minus 1 from both sides using additive inverse. So if you minus 1 from both sides, we have x plus 1 minus 1 equals 0 minus 1. The plus 1 will cancel minus 1. Then we have x equals minus 1 because 0 minus 1 will be minus 1. Or we can take the plus 1 to the other side of equal sign. Then it becomes x equals 0 minus 1. Then x equals minus 1. Then we can just plug in the value of x now, which is minus 1 in x raised to power 100 plus 100. So if we plug in minus 1 to replace x, we have minus 1 raised to power 100 plus 100. So we have minus 1 raised to power 100 plus 100. Now since minus 1 there is raised to power even number, then it will definitely give us a positive figure and it is still going to be 1. So it means it's going to be positive 1. So that means we have minus 1 raised to power 100, or minus 1 in 100 places equals 1. Then we put 1 there, then we say plus 100. That will now give us 101, and that will be the answer for that. That will be the remainder. Question number 2 says, if x plus 1 over x equals 10, find the value of 8x over x squared plus 8x plus 1. Find the value of 8x over x squared minus 8x plus 1 rather. So from x plus 1 over x equals 10, we can just multiply through by x. So if we multiply through by x, we have x times, the dot there means multiplication. So x times x plus 1 over x times x equals 10 times x. So we are multiplying through by x. So multiplying through by x, x times x gives us x squared, plus 1 over x times x, x will cancel x, then we have 1 left, equals 10 times x, that will give us 10x. Then we have x squared plus 1 equals 10x. So we can solve that further. X squared plus 1 equals 10x. We collect the like times, we can take plus 1 to the other side. We have x squared equals 10x minus 1. X squared equals 10x minus 1 by taking plus 1 to the other side, or minus 1 from both sides using additive inverse. So if we continue with the 8x over x squared minus 8x plus 1, and then we plug in the value of x squared, because we have been able to get the value of x squared. X squared equals 10x minus 1, and we have x squared there in 8x over x squared minus 8x plus 1. So we can plug in 10x minus 1 to replace x squared, since x squared equals 10x minus 1. So if we plug in that, we have 8x over 10x minus 1, that is replacing x squared there, then plus 1, we are just bringing that plus 1 that is last there to the middle, we are rearranging, then minus 8x. So nothing has changed there, we just rearrange minus 8x and plus 1, bringing plus 1 to the front, or writing plus 1 first and taking minus x, writing minus 8x later. Then we have 8x over 10x minus 1 plus 1 minus 8x. So from 8x over 10x minus 1 plus 1 minus 8x, minus 1 plus 1 will cancel each other. And then we have 8x over 10x minus 8x. And that will give us so that will give us 8x over 2x. 10x minus 8x will give us 2x. So 8x divided by 2x will give us 4. and that will be the final answer for that question. For our next class, we have this exercise to be solved together. If 2 raised to power x times 3 raised to power x squared equals 6, find x. We shall consider this together in our next class. Don't forget to comment on this video, subscribe, and then click the notification button for more of this, and like the video. Thank you as you do so. Kudos to you, all my fans. I really appreciate you.